Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add Facebook lead ads leads to existing Google Meet links. So I'm a business coach and I've already scheduled a webinar for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads. So here I've scheduled this webinar in Google Meet, and now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad for my business, then automatically I want to enroll that user or I want to add that in my already scheduled meeting in Google Meet. So here for doing this automatically, what I need to do is I need to simply build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Meet. So here for doing this automatically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add a new user in my Google Meet that is already scheduled. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add Facebook lead ads leads to existing Google Meet link. So here suppose I'm a business coach and I'm offering various business services. So here what I want is that I want to automate the addition of new leads from Facebook into onboarding webinar that I've already scheduled or created. So here by using this particular webinar that I've scheduled for this particular date, that is on 15th of November, what I want to do is for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads, I want to add those leads into this existing Google Meet link. Automatically, I want to add all my leads that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads into my webinar that has been already scheduled. So here for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply use Pabbly Connect and I'm going to build an automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Meet or Google Calendar. So here with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. And now what will happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my business coaching business, then by using all the detail of my lead from Facebook lead ads, I'm going to automatically add that lead into my existing Google Meet link. So here what I just need to do is I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. So for that, I'm just going to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook lead ads leads to existing Google Meet links. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here first for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now here I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And I need to simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to do that. And now here I need to click on continue. And again, I'm going to click on this continue button. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page and the lead gen form. So here I need to first select the page where I'm running my ad campaign and through which I'm receiving my new leads for my business coaching business. So for this, let me take you to Facebook. And here, this is my Facebook page that is named as Tech Tribe. So this is my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign. So I'm going to map this page in Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And now for selecting my page, I need to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. And here, this is my page that is named as Tech Tribe. So this is already selected. And now here, I need to select my lead gen form. So by opening up this tab, I'm going to find all the lead gen forms that I have created in my Facebook page. And you can select any particular lead gen form that you want to use. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all lead gen forms so that I can get all the lead details from every lead form that I have in my Facebook page. Now here I have selected my Facebook page and the lead gen form, and now here I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Quiz button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here in this note, it says that after clicking on Save and Send Test to Quiz button, I need to get the detail of my lead, and as I don't have the live campaign running on my Facebook page, so what I need to do is I need to generate a test lead. But here you have to make sure that your ad campaign and your lead gen form is live so that you can get all the detail of your leads that you are going to receive through your Facebook page here in Pabbly Connect. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a sample submission and I'm going to generate a new lead for my Facebook page or for my business. And as I'm going to generate a new lead, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here for getting this response and for generating a sample submission, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. So I'm going to open Metaphor Developer. I'm going to take you to Metaphor Developer. And here in Metaphor Developer, I will go to Resources, and in this, I need to go to Developer Tools. So I'm going to open that. And now here in Developer Tools, I need to scroll down and I need to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here in this tool, we can see we have these two options of page and the form. Now here in the page, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to select the same Facebook page that I've selected in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select that here. And my lead form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to generate a test lead, and for that I need to click on this Preview Form button. And as I'm going to click here, I will get my lead gen form, and as I'm going to get my lead gen form, then I can fill out that form with the dummy details so that I can create a new lead or a sample lead, and as I'm going to submit that form, I will automatically get that response in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here, and here this is my lead gen form. Now here I have these tabs of first name, last name, email, and the phone number. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details with the lead detail. So here my first name is going to be Michael. My last name is going to be Karis. I have to give the email address. So my email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number of my lead. Now here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted this form and I have generated this new lead. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have just received this response of my new lead. So here I have the first name that is Michael. I have the last name that is Karis. I have the email that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number of my lead. So here we can see that these are all the details of my lead that I've just generated by filling out my lead gen form. And as I've filled that form, I have received all the detail of my lead here in Pabbly Connect. Now here that I have received all these details, now what I want to do is I want to automatically use all these details of my lead, and I want to use these lead details so that I can add all these lead details in my existing Google Meet link or in my scheduled webinar. So here for automatically adding all my leads into my existing webinar or in my existing Google Meet link, what I need to do is I need to set up my Actions tab. So here in my Actions tab, I need to search for my action application, and here I can't use Google Meet as my action application because by using Google Meet, I can't add my new lead into an existing Google Meet link. So here for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my action application as Google Calendar. So I'm going to search for that. And now I'm going to select Google Calendar here. And here I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I have this action event of add guests to an event. So I'm going to use this particular action event, and by using this action event, I'm going to add all my leads that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads into an existing event or into my webinar or into an existing Google Meet link that I've already scheduled or created by using Google Meet. So I'm going to use this action event and I'm going to select this. Now I'm going to connect Google Calendar with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection and I need to click on sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that. Now here I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Google Calendar with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now first I need to select my calendar where I have added or scheduled my meeting. So I'm going to take you to Google Calendar for that. And here in Google Calendar, we can see I'm on this calendar of demo. And in this particular calendar, I have scheduled this meeting, which is scheduled for 15th of November. I'm going to open this. And here, this is my webinar that is for Accelerate Your Business. I have all these details. Now here, I'm going to add my guests or my leads into this particular webinar. So I'm going to close this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here first I need to select my calendar. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I'll find all the calendars that I have in my Google Calendar account. And I'm going to select this particular calendar of demo. Now here that I have selected my calendar, I want to select my event where I want to add my new leads. So I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, we can see I have all these meetings or webinars or my events that I've scheduled in my Google Calendar. Now in this, I need to select my event where I want to add my Facebook leads. So I'm going to select this particular event of Accelerate Your Business. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give the detail of my guest. So here for adding a new guest or for adding my new lead into my webinar, what I need to do is I need to give the email address. So here simply I'm going to use my response of Facebook lead ads, and from that response I'm going to get the detail of my lead, and by using that lead detail I'm going to map that here in this tab. So here for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map this, and here I have mapped the email address of my lead. Now that I have added this here, so by using this particular email address of my lead, I can automatically add my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads into my existing Google Meet link. Now that I have mapped this detail here, I have made this detail dynamic, and now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my business, then automatically this detail is going to get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And for every new lead that I'm going to receive through Facebook lead ads, I'm going to add that lead automatically in my existing Google Meet link. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So here I have the status of confirmed. So this means I have successfully added my lead into my existing Google Meet link, and I have added this as a guest. So this particular person or this particular lead can join my webinar. Now to check whether I've added my lead into my Google Meet link or not, let me take you to Google Calendar. I'm going to open my Meet. And here in the guest list, we can see I have added this one guest that is named as michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. So this is the email address of my lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads, and automatically I have added this lead as a guest in my Google Meet link. Now here we can see that I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Calendar. And now what will happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad for my business, then by using all the detail of my lead, I can automatically add that lead into my existing Google Meet link. Now here we can see I have successfully created this automation between Facebook lead ads and Google Calendar. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically by using all the detail of my lead, I'm adding that lead into my existing Google Meet link or into my scheduled webinar. So here I have successfully created this automation, and I have created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Facebook lead ads with Google Calendar to automatically add Facebook lead ads leads to existing Google Meet links. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Google Calendar, and my action event was add guest to an event. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.